I'm getting a bit emotional. This is why we do it. Let me just knock this off because I don't want it going flat. Someone has loved this car, and like, you cannot replicate this stuff. I've just been digging through this stuff in the boot. Now, the guy that I bought it off really didn't know much about it. He likes weird cars, and he bought this just as a bit of a whim because it was offered to him. I get mildly emotional about stuff like this because you cannot, like, oh, fucking hell. You can't buy history like this. And cars like this, I don't know how they find me, but they just do. What's everything in here? There's all the Weber stuff for the carbs. Oh my god, handwritten stuff, all of its bits and pieces. What's this? Unbelievable. Ordering SAAB sport wheels direct from SAAB and getting written replies from them. I mean, this is just unbelievable. I don't even know how I feel about this. Oh man, this poor old guy. I think he's dead now. I think that's how the car came to be up for sale, a real till death do us part thing. This is incredible. Whoops. Oh man. This must be old. Right, so this is, oh my god, this is all the engine build. Body, work strengthening kit. I don't know what that is. Forest springs, Spax adjustables front and rear, Jan speed competition exhaust. And if we just whiz under here, we can see everything there is brand new. It does still have the Spax shocks and springs, ported big valve heads. Oh my god. Oh bloody hell, this is holy grail. Have I already been through that one? Nope. This is another one. Oh god. Bodywork itinerary. Oh my god. How much do you have to love a car to do all of this? Jesus Christ. Moving parts, okay, yeah. Oh, okay. Oh god, there's more pictures. Well, you can't say you didn't do it properly. This is unbelievable. Have we already looked through these? Nope, this is all the doors. That's his. Oh my god. I'm having a bit of a moment here with this. Here she is. That's obviously showing the times that he's painted it. Oh God. Sorry. Okay. He's obviously painted his garage at the same time. Okay. After finding all of this, I feel quite differently about the car now. I've just been driving around in it, kicking its head in for a couple of hours. What is this? Oh, this is the Aselli engine rebuild with everything listed. Oh, I'm a bit shaky with this. Ooh, it had a radio in it at some point. It's a book on the Morris 8. Burton Power. Oh my God, parts lists. What's this date? Right, if you've come this far, you'll understand that what started off as me just having a little flick through some service history has turned into quite a bit more. I didn't know what the story with this car was, and I bought it completely blind. Absolutely never saw it. I rang the bloke, he thought I was a scam. I rang him and I said, sell me that car, here's your bank details, I'll pay for it and I'll send someone to pick it up on Friday. There we go. It's shut now. Guy I bought it off didn't know anything about it either. But from a couple of pictures I could tell it was quite special, because I could see the oil cooler, I could see the size of the lines, the SAAB Sport oil cooler adapter on it. I could see all this was clean, all of this was uprated. I could kind of tell that this was something a little bit special. I've had a lot of SAABs. I've had a lot of V4 SAABs. I've had a couple of two-stroke SAABs. And I'm not going to lie to you, I really was not in the market for another SAAB. But I've always wanted a flat front. Jamie went and picked this up for me today. These seats are horrible, they've got to go. Jamie went and picked this up for me today, and that was the first time I'd seen it. And I could tell from that idle that she was a Larry girl and this was something special. Let's go and drive it, maybe a little bit more respectfully than I have been for the last hour, now that I know its history. I've had quite a few of these. Straight to life from warm as well. Fair play. Got a little bit of a high. I need to sort out that little bit of fluffiness there on the idle. That's a bit weird. So anyway, sorry, I was just fluffing myself up. Yeah, she wants to idle high, so we need to go back and fiddle with that. I have a bit of an ability to just jump in stuff and drive it. And apart from the odd little snicky gear change, I'm finding this really easy to get on with. It's a lot racier than I anticipated. I'm not really putting my foot down here, I'm just kind of driving it and enjoying it, but everything's very solidly mounted and it feels great. Like, it feels absolutely fantastic. I really would love to know the story with this, and I guess tonight when I look through the service history I'm going to find out more about it. But even the brakes, like everything about it feels racy, everything. I quite like this. I think this is going to be a great little bit of fun for the summer. I don't want to sell it at all.